Creating income. You don't need a job in order to make money. Hang around and I'll tell you how. Having a job, aka working for someone else, will rarely pay you what you would like to make, or pay you what you actually really need. So you must create income. How? Use your thoughts. This is your mind working even when you're not. Write them down. Give yourself about 5 good seconds to do so, because if you don't, you will soon forget, and it'll just be an idea just blown in the wind. It's best to find something that you enjoy doing. You'll spend more energy on a project that interests you. You'll spend more time on a project that you have an interest in. Focus on a way that your idea, in order to make income, create income, can help other people. People have no problem paying you for ideas or creations that can help them solve problems. Consider yourself as a service. Figure out a way that you can solve problems. Again, people have no problem paying people to help them solve their problems, making their life just 10% easier. They have no problem with giving you the goods that you want. Try things, different things. See if it works. Think outside the box. It's better to try and fail than to never try at all. Also, you must remember, nothing was ever created by someone who thought like everyone else. Write your thoughts down. Try them. Keep a notepad and a pen with you. It's your most valuable weapons. Your mind is constantly working to get you into a better situation. Do not take this for granted. Thank you. See you soon.